How's it going today? It's Brad at AftermarketTractorParts.com. Alright, so you see a lot of fixes and stuff like that we do. This is a fun little rig that we built in the shop. We do make a little hay and we have some stuff. So we got the 3020T, which is our 3020 with a big ugly turbo on it. And this is the funnest part back here. So we make some hay and we didn't want to spend big money on one of these new crimper tedder deals. So we got this old Alice Chalmers crimper that we tore out of the, pulled out of the woods, and we mounted a hydraulic PTO in the back. So now we can run our flipper and our tedder and whatever we want. So it's about a $700 rig we got here. So we'll go to the field and show you how well it works.